Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about painting the spiritual beauty of Uttarakhand through watercolor. Uttarakhand is often called the land of gods. It is a place where nature and spirituality come together in a beautiful way. The state is home to the Himalayas, rivers, ancient temple, peaceful villages and deep forest. Every corner of Uttarakhand tells a story of faith, tradition and natural beauty. For an artist, Uttarakhand is a never ending source of inspiration. The changing light on the mountains, the morning mist over the valleys, and the sound of temple bells create a special atmosphere that is difficult to describe with words. Watercolor helped me capture this feeling because of its soft and transparent nature. Many famous pilgrim sites are located in Uttarakhand. Places such as Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, and Yamunotri attract millions of visitors every year. These places are not only important for the religious value, but also for their breathtaking surroundings. Snow covered mountains, flowing rivers, and ancient stone temples create scenes that are perfect for watercolor painting. The rivers of Uttarakhand also hold deep spiritual meaning. The Ganga and Yamuna begin their journeys here and are considered by millions of people. Painting these rivers is not just about showing water flowing through a landscape. It is about capturing the feeling of a peace, devotion, and connection with nature. Small village temples, old pathways, prayer flags, traditional houses, and local festivals also reflect the spiritual life of the region. Sometimes the simple scene tells the strongest story. A quiet temple in the mountains or a person offering prayers by the river can express deep emotion through art. Watercolor is an ideal medium for painting this subject because it allows artists to create soft light, atmospheric effect, and a sense of calmness. The flow of water on paper often remind me of the flowing rivers of Uttarakhand. The transparency of watercolor help capture the beauty of morning light, distant mountain, and the peaceful mood of places. When I paint Uttarakhand, I try to do more than create a beautiful picture. I try to share the emotion and memories connected to these places. I want viewers to feel the silence of the mountains, the energy of the temple, and the spiritual connection between people and nature. Painting also helps preserve the culture and heritage of our region. As modern life changes rapidly, art becomes an important way to document tradition, architect, and local stories for future generations. For me, painting the spiritual beauty of Uttarakhand is not just an artistic process. It is a journey of observation, gratitude, and connection. Every painting teaches me to slow down, appreciate nature, and find inspiration in the world around me. I believe that the true beauty of Uttarakhand lies not only in its landscape, but also in the faith, simplicity, and peace that people experience there. Thank you and happy painting.